Okay, that's all done. And you should have got something similar to this. Okay, nothing fatal, hopefully. 6.13, section 6.13 GMP. Now, let me see here. We did a make check into our log. And we have to ensure that all 162 tests have passed. So we'll say clear, and let's awk out. There's no spaces here. Test. There's a space there. Passed. Tests. Passed. We'll say encapsulate total plus equals $2. Okay. Come out. We'll say semi end encapsulate print space total. Okay. And GMP check dot dash log. Let's check that out. I'll say test passed equals total plus or equal to $2. And we'll say end print total 162. Okay, that's our magic number. That's what we should have got. We'll say clear, and now we can say, I think make install. Make install. Okay, that's done. Now we have to say make directory verbose user share doc gmp dash 5.0.1, and I think that's right. Okay, and we'll say copy verbose. Don't mind these spaces here according to the docs. Okay, copy verbose. We'll say isa underscore abi underscore headache comma configuration. Okay, let's say doc, and then let's say HTML. So we got copy verbose doc isa abi underscore headache, right, configuration, right. Okay, pop into a new line, and I'm not going to line it up. We'll say user share doc gmp 501. Good. That's it for that. mpfr, we can do that now. We'll say remove file gmp clear tar xv xvf or tar xf. Let's say mpfr, no time at all. mpfr and let's say package contains functions for multiple precision math. Okay, dot run configure 1.1 SBUs configure prefix equals user enable enable blah blah enable thread dash safe, and we'll look at that. Enable thread safe, new line, doc dir is going to equal user share doc mpfr dash 3.0.0. Okay. Okay. Now we have another test suite that is mandatory to run, so we'll say make, and we'll say make check. And 1.1 SBUs. I'm gonna say it's about 5 minutes. 5.5-ish minutes or something like that. So, I really don't want to cut the video off here and have a whole bunch of fragments, and let me apologize to you about my video. Very sorry, very sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I was really dismayed about how I could not do the things I wanted to. But I'm gonna change it as soon as I get this on, because I'm really gonna hook this one up, right? I want to, well, my video recorder takes FFmpeg, so that's not a problem. I can get the libraries there. This FFmpeg's a massive, massive program to install. There's a lot of dependencies, and it's a lot. You know, you can really sit there for a while installing FFmpeg, even with my 2 gig machine here. I mean, man. But that's okay. I have to upgrade my kernel after this, and add a frame buffer supported kernel, and that would be okay too. But this Ubuntu 10.10 machine I'm running on, this is just terrible. I cannot believe that there's no incursive support for a 2.6.35 kernel, I think it is. You know, there was no incursive support. I had already taken my network all apart, and I was like, you know, let's just go. And maybe I should have just said, you know, maybe we should just go back and go get some ncurses libraries and try to configure this kernel over here so we can have frame buffer support. Okay, everything passed out, everything's good, no errors. And now we have to say clear, make install. Okay. Now we have to say make HTML, clear, and let's say make HTML. Come back over here, we'll say install dash HTML. Okay, super. MPFR is done. Come back up here and we will remove MPFR. FR. And let's go ahead and extract MPC. MPC. MPC contains a package library for arithmetic of complex numbers with arbitrarily high precision and correct rounding of the result. MPC. Say .run configure. Prefix equals user. Nothing else. Just 0.3 SBUs. We should be able to fly through this. And I'll say make. I'm not going to make the check in this. It's not mandatory, so I'm not going to do it. Make install. Okay. Here's the mother load here next. 6.16 GCC 452. SBUs is 44. Alright, so go take a walk on that one. Alright, make and make install. I think we did that. And that's right. We CD back up, and I'm going to remove MPC. Clear. Tar. X. Skip V. F. GCC. This is actually the biggest package that we have to install. After this, everything's just downhill from here. Little scripts, little scripts come after that, and setting up configurations, blah blah blah. And we had to set up Vim, everything else like that. So we are okay. Looking pretty good. We'll look even better though after we try this GCC install out and make sure that everything's running top notch. So, like I said, it's a pretty big program. 1.1 megabyte or gigabytes. Look at that size. That's nuts. GCC. And first we have to say set I to say s and install underscore $2 underscore $, encapsulate install underscore destination, pop out space install liberty makefile. It's going to replace lib destination with nothing. Install to nothing. Install to $, install destination. Okay, we will run it. And let's say we have to do a case statement for 64s like me. Actually, I don't know if that's only 64 specific there, you can read that. But 2 backticks, and we'll say uname -m space in. Okay, we're going to indent and say I question 86 space sed dash I. Single ticks, and we're going to say sed, or where it did sed, s. We're going to say char_t underscore C flags plus or equals $/ and dash f omit frame pointer. Alright. Okay. Looks good. Looks perfect. And let's say new line into GCC makefile. And we have to double semis, close it with ESAC. Clear? Another sed. We have to replace s at, I'm going to say escape / fix inc. Okay, escape.sh at -c true. Leave the at there. So let's say set I s at escape dot / fix inc. That's good. We're going to say gcc / makefile.in. Okay. I have to make directory. Make a directory, and we'll call it gcc build. CD back up in the gcc build. gcc build. Clear. And we'll say configure, actually gcc 2 or 452 configure. Man. Prefix equals user. Pop new line. We'll say lib exc lib executable directory equals user lib, and say enable shared. New line. We'll say enable threads is equal to POSIX. Enable, these are 2 underscores right here, CXA, another underscore exit. Actually, it was at exit. Okay. And we'll say D over A and CXA, which is true. And let's say R over R and threads. Okay. Now we have to say enable locale equals GNU. We say enable languages equals C plus plus. Got a plus under the T, right, or Yep, and okay, we got a T over C and lookout. Good. Pop a new line. Disable. Multi-lib. Disable. Boop. Strap. And say with system dash zlib. Okay, plus over the H and with, and we have, let's call L under the E and disabled. Okay, good. We'll configure that. And now we have to say make. Make's going to take a little bit. Okay, now instead of saying make check, we have to, after we do the make, it says one set of tests in GCC test suite is known to exhaust the stack. Okay, so we have to increase the size of the stack prior to running the test. So after we do make, and which I'm not going to let this go, this is going to take a while. After make gets done, I'll pop a video back on and we'll increase the stack and we'll make K check. Hopefully, if everything goes right, we'll be out of the woods. And then it's all up to us. The only way we can screw it up now is by screwing it up. So, have a good day.